Today we're traveling on the 2026 BMW Motorhome. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to the channel.
The 2026 BMW Motorhome is not just a luxury vehicle. It is a rolling masterpiece that looks as if it has arrived from the future itself. One glance at its flowing red exterior and sculpted layers of glass and metal instantly tells you that this machine was never built to follow the rules. It was built to break them. Imagine a motorhome so advanced, so boldly designed, that it doesn't look like a vehicle at all. It feels more like a moving mansion designed by an architect with no limits. That is exactly what the 2026 BMW Motorhome represents, the next era of ultra-luxury road travel. The first thing that captures your attention is its breathtaking shape. BMW has never shied away from experimenting with design, but this time, they have taken creativity to the highest level. The exterior looks like liquid metal, frozen in motion, with curved aerodynamic layers wrapping around the massive body. The design feels almost alive, stretching forward as if cutting through the wind even when standing still. The iconic BMW kidney grille at the front sits like a crown, reminding you that despite its unusual appearance, this masterpiece is still a proud member of the BMW family. It is long, wide, and visually dominating, supported by multiple axles and oversized luxury wheels that ensure stability and unmatched road presence. As you move closer, the details start revealing the level of craftsmanship that went into this creation. Every window is panoramic, curved, and seamless, giving the entire structure a spaceship-like appearance. The glass levels are stacked like floating terraces, each layer connected through artistic red frames that spiral around the body like futuristic architecture. It almost looks like a luxury villa built on wheels, and the interior absolutely proves that idea true. The attention to detail is extraordinary, with each curve and contour carefully calculated to maximize both aesthetic appeal and aerodynamic efficiency. The color choice itself deserves special mention. That deep, lustrous metallic red finish is not something you typically see on recreational vehicles. This is a color that demands attention, that makes a statement wherever the motorhome goes. The paint appears to have multiple layers of depth, creating an almost liquid quality that shifts and changes as light plays across the vehicle's sculpted surfaces. This finish would be more at home on a limited edition supercar, yet here it adorns what is essentially a mobile luxury residence, elevating the entire concept to art gallery status. Stepping inside the 2026 BMW Motorhome feels like entering a world where comfort and innovation live together in perfect harmony. The interior is designed with a philosophy of open spaces, natural lighting, and ultra-modern furniture. Instead of the usual cramped RV layout, this motorhome offers a vast living environment with curved walls, floor-to-ceiling windows, and multiple lounge zones. The living area resembles a high-end penthouse suite, complete with plush seating, elegant decor, and ambient lighting that adjusts according to mood. Everything feels premium, from the stitching of the seats to the polished metal accents around the room. The motorhome features multiple levels, each designed with a different experience in mind. The lower level serves as the main living and entertainment zone, giving you uninterrupted views of the surroundings from every angle. Whether you park in the middle of a city or a quiet mountain valley, the 360-degree glass design ensures breathtaking views at all times. And because the structure is so spacious, there is no feeling of confinement. Instead, you feel like you're living in a mobile luxury home with endless room to breathe. The spatial planning is nothing short of genius, with every square inch utilized efficiently while maintaining an open, airy atmosphere. The furniture selection reflects BMW's commitment to luxury and comfort. Each piece appears to be custom designed specifically for this motorhome, with ergonomic shapes that complement the vehicle's flowing lines. The seating areas feature premium leather upholstery, adjustable configurations, and integrated heating and cooling systems. Small touches like built-in USB charging ports, wireless phone charging pads, and cleverly hidden storage compartments show the thoughtfulness that went into every aspect of the interior design. Moving toward the upper levels, the motorhome surprises you even more. The mid-level offers a gourmet kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, built-in storage, an advanced smart cooking system, and premium surfaces that look more suited for luxury apartments than a vehicle. This is where BMW's engineering brilliance becomes clear. They haven't just built a motorhome. they have built a fully functional home that can travel anywhere. Whether you want to cook a simple meal or prepare a full dinner for guests, this kitchen delivers everything with style. The kitchen features induction cooktops that provide precise temperature control, convection ovens capable of professional-level cooking, and refrigeration systems with separate climate zones for different food types. The countertops appear to be made from premium materials like quartz or marble, providing both beauty and durability. Smart appliances can be controlled via voice commands or through an integrated touchscreen interface, allowing you to preheat the oven, adjust refrigerator temperatures, or program the coffee maker without leaving your seat in the living area. Next comes the bedroom suite, and this is where the 2026 BMW Motorhome truly feels unbeatable. The bedroom features a king-size bed, panoramic windows surrounding the entire space, elegant lighting, and a relaxing environment designed for absolute comfort. Imagine lying in bed and watching the sunset through curved glass panels that wrap around you. The room feels like a luxury hotel floating through landscapes. Privacy is ensured through intelligent shading panels that open and close automatically based on lighting conditions. The mattress itself is likely a premium hybrid design with memory foam layers and advanced support systems that adjust to your body position throughout the night. The bedding would feature high thread count sheets, down-filled duvets, and multiple pillow options to ensure perfect sleep regardless of where you've parked. Nightstands integrated into the walls provide convenient storage and charging stations, while overhead compartments offer ample space for clothing and personal items, without cluttering the bedroom's serene atmosphere. The bathroom continues the same level of luxury with premium materials, a spacious shower area, smart mirrors, water-saving systems, and exceptional cleanliness. BMW has integrated high-efficiency heating, cooling, and water purification technology, meaning you can travel anywhere without sacrificing modern amenities. The shower features multiple spray heads, temperature controls with memory settings, and even chromotherapy lighting options that can help you start your day energized or wind down in the evening. The fixtures throughout the bathroom are clearly high-end, possibly from luxury brands known for their exceptional quality and design. The smart mirror might include features like integrated displays showing weather information, news headlines, or your daily schedule while you prepare for the day. Water purification systems ensure that, whether you're connected to city water or using your onboard tanks, the quality remains consistently high for drinking, cooking, and bathing. The top level of the motorhome is perhaps the most exciting feature. It functions as an open-air lounge or viewing deck, depending on how you choose to use it. This rooftop space offers seating, a relaxation zone, and panoramic 360-degree surroundings, making it the perfect place for morning coffee, stargazing, or simply enjoying nature. Solar panels integrated seamlessly into the roof help reduce energy consumption and power the motorhome's internal systems, showcasing BMW's commitment to eco-friendly engineering. This rooftop deck transforms the motorhome into something truly special. It's not just about getting from place to place, it's about experiencing each destination fully. The deck likely includes comfortable, weather-resistant furniture, perhaps a small dining table for outdoor meals, and safety railings that are sturdy yet designed to minimize visual obstruction. The solar panel integration is particularly clever, serving dual purposes of providing shade and generating clean energy to extend the motorhome's off-grid capabilities. Performance is another area where BMW never compromises. Underneath this massive luxury structure lies a powerful hybrid powertrain designed for smooth, silent, and efficient travel. Despite its enormous size, the motorhome moves gracefully on the road thanks to BMW's advanced suspension system, multi-axle support, and intelligent drive technology. The driver's cockpit is equipped with futuristic controls, a panoramic front view, AI-assisted navigation, and self-driving support designed specifically for large luxury vehicles. Driving this masterpiece isn't just easy, it feels like piloting a futuristic vessel. The hybrid powertrain likely combines a powerful diesel or gasoline engine with electric motors, providing the massive torque needed to move this vehicle while maintaining reasonable fuel efficiency. The electric motors would offer whisper-quiet operation during low speed, maneuvering, and the ability to operate in pure electric mode when parked, running all systems without starting the main engine. Regenerative braking would capture energy during deceleration, feeding it back into the battery system to maximize efficiency. BMW has also included features like adaptive cruise control, obstacle detection, climate-controlled zones, smart lighting, voice-controlled features, and a full home automation system. You can adjust temperature, lighting, entertainment, and even curtains with simple voice commands. Everything is connected seamlessly through BMW's intelligent ecosystem, putting luxury and technology in perfect balance. The integration of these systems means the motorhome essentially becomes a smart home on wheels. Learning your preferences over time and automatically adjusting settings to match your habits and comfort requirements. What truly makes the 2026 BMW Motorhome special is its mission: to transform travel from a simple journey into a lifestyle of freedom, comfort, and elegance. This is not just a vehicle to take you from one destination to another. It is a traveling kingdom built for those who want the world to be their backyard. Whether you are driving through mountains, deserts, beaches, or cities, this motorhome turns every moment into a luxurious experience. In the world of motorhomes, the 2026 BMW Motorhome sets a new standard. It challenges everything we thought we knew about RVs, showing that a luxury home on wheels can be both elegant and unbelievably advanced. BMW has successfully created a vehicle that doesn't just take you places, it transports you into a new era of travel, with unmatched style, cutting-edge technology, and pure artistic beauty. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is truly a masterpiece rolling into the future.